guys! Good morning! Today, we are going to the hospital. Check natin yung ating mga cholesterol, ganon, sugar. Asa trentahin. Siguro mag-explore ako ng isang coffee shop doon bago ako umuwi. Yay! Wala akong pasok. Kasi I'm working for an Australian company. Wala kaming pasok today since it's a holiday sa kanila. So, ayun. I'm excited and let's make this day productive. Ang ganda ng araw today. Thank you, Lord, for this day. And let's go!
Hey guys, it's me again, Shanna. And just to share with you, I've been on a weight loss journey. Actually, I've shared a part of it on my TikTok and Facebook as well. And I was honestly overwhelmed by how many of you can relate. And over the past few months, I've been focusing on improving my diet, and I was able to lose 14 kilos in 3 months. So today, I'm heading in for a checkup to see how my body is doing after all those changes.
We're back. Kakatapos nating magpalab. Sana okay yung results. Sayang, 1 p.m. pa pala sila magbubukas. Sabi sa Google, close siya 1 p.m. pero parang nakasulat dun sa door, open siya. Let's check. Ganda. Open na. Kakagaling natin sa upper room coffee. Grabe, buti na lang. Open na sila. Sabi nung staff kanina, 11 a.m. daw. May barista na daw talaga na nakabantay. Fortunately, nakapag-explore na naman tayo ng isang coffee shop dito sa Pampanga. So, masasabi ko lang, maganda yung interior niya and ang sarap din ng coffee for the price. So, pwedeng-pwede na. Dito sa likod naman, nandito yung Coffee Bay. Malaking coffee shop din yan. Na-try na namin yan actually, pero sa Angeles area kami nakapag-Coffee Bay. Na-receive ko na sa email yung aking lab results. So, ipaparead ko to. Siguro ipapatelemed ko na lang. Kasi yun, ang itinerary natin, uuwi na tayo ng bahay. Tapos, konting chores, magpapahinga. Then, magpe-prepare tayo kasi may travel tayo. And Friday. Pakita ko lang sa inyo tong arayat. Ang ganda niya ngayon, no? Tingnan nyo. Ganda niya, di ba? Eyo guys! So, ngayon lang tayo ulit nakapag-video. Pupunta kami ngayon sa San Fernando. We will just have some snacks and mag-grocery lang kami konti. Let's go!
Pag mag-unknown tayo, Walter Park na lang. Or
Tayo sa Unknown Burger. Unknown Smash Burger. Dito na kami guys. Unknown Burger.
wow,
Ibang menu. This is the Unknown Burger.
kainin mo na. Unknown burger. So unknown burger.
Not so Unknown Burger.
Ito yung secret, no? Ito yung secret, guys. Secret burger.
Tapos ito yung fries.
Unknown secret pala pangalan nito. Unknown secret.
Top. Yan yung
Unknown secret.
unknown secret. Ito naman sa akin yung unknown burger. Try natin.
Cheers! Cheers!
Sarap talaga. Meron siyang bacon sa loob. Ang crunchy nung patty. The best burger talaga.
May ano siya, may shoestring potato.
Nakakasira ng diet. So this is the unknown secret.
Masarap yan.
Masarap to!
Nakapokus ba?
Yan siya.
Sabi ko kumuha ka. Sinabi kunin mo lahat.
Kasi inaawat mo.
Ano ba?
Akala ko ano.
It's July 12 today and it's already 7:48 a.m. And today it's a very chill weekend. Another time to reset and recharge and get ready for another week. So I decided na this will be my filming area. Wala lang. Ang ganda kasi ng lighting dito. May ginawa kasi akong cardboard. Bali, binili ko lang siya sa TikTok. Tapos, nilagyan ko lang ng mga pictures namin. Binili ko lang actually siya sa TikTok. Tapos, itong mga plushie na to, from Plushish, yung business ng brother ko, nagtitinda kasi siya ng mga plushish. So, nilagay ko dyan. Noong una kasi hindi ko alam kung saan ko siya ilalagay. But, ayan. Tapos, marami kasi akong mga nakokolektang mga stickers before. Nilagay ko na lang din siya. Now, I'm just wearing a shirt, guys, and shorts. Kasi nga, mamamalengke lang naman tayo. Let's go!
Good morning mga idol.
Mga idol. It's another weekend, guys, and you know what that means. It's grocery day. So today we're taking you to one of our budget-friendly grocery spots here in Pampanga. So far, Jumbo Genre has been one of our go-to places whenever we want to save a little because the prices here are, I think, cheaper. And you know what? Every time we do our weekly grocery run, it feels a little healing for us. Maybe it's because it reminds us how far we've come. Kasi we grew up, hindi naman kami well-off na family. And I was a breadwinner. So there was a time when buying groceries wasn't something we could do this comfortably. So being able to do this, to buy all the things that we want, feels like a blessing. And we really don't take it for granted.
Alam, nostalgic nito. Choco-choco. Very batak
Togi-togi yung sabi ko.
honey. Sarap kasi ito.
And while walking through the aisle, marami kaming nakitang mga snacks that we used to buy as kids. And as a 90s kid, medyo naging nostalgic yung aming pagpunta sa grocery.
We're gonna restock, guys.
Pinamili namin. So guys, we're gonna make some iced coffee. Tatry natin to from Vietnam. Legend Special Edition. Meron siyang 8 pieces sa loob. I'm just gonna make my coffee kasi inaantok ako. Gusto ko lang mag-flat siya kahit konti. Kasi parang mas masarap siya pag may fat.
So, meron na siyang konting froth. Yes, mas masarap. We have kamachis.
Yung pag-move namin dito sa province has helped us build healthier habits. Kasi back when we were still living and working in the city, we relied on fast food most of the time. As in, hindi talaga kami masipag magluto. Because life was always so busy. So, we've learned to slow down. Tapos, mas nagluluto na kami ngayon kasi wala kaming choice. And we enjoy home-cooked meals when we moved here. I don't know if it's just a part of getting older, but lately, we've been craving a lot of vegetables. So, kailangan yung mga meals namin dapat merong gulay. And I guess that's just one of the things adulthood teaches you. You should take care of yourself. And it's also about the little choices you make every day.
This is the highlight. Amazing! Yay!
Good na naman.
And that's how we're ending today's vlog, with full stomachs, grateful hearts, and another simple weekend well spent. Thank you so much for coming along, and I'll see you in the next one.